welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I'm Holly. Welcome. I'm happy to have you here. Today I'm sharing with you our monthly collaboration video. It is being hosted by Melissa at I'm Merely Melissa and Kristy at Kristy's Farmhouse. They both have great content on their channels, and I'm going to leave the links down below in the description box, so please go and check their channels out. I will also leave the link down below for the collaboration playlist. I have a lot of YouTube friends that are participating in this. So for this month, we're sharing Easter dishes. So it can be anything from a savory dish or Easter desserts, things like that. So hopefully you will find some great ideas that you can make for your family for Easter. And now I'm going to show you what it is I made for this collaboration, and I hope that you enjoy the video.
And I'm making mini lemon blossom tarts. So these are very simple to make. You just need some Pillsbury pie crust and a can of lemon pie filling. And you can use any type of filling, really, flavor that you want for this. I'm using a tart pan, and this I think it's a 3-inch or 4-inch flour cookie cutter, and you just want it to be a little bit bigger so that way they fit into the pan. Very simple and easy to make. Just roll out your dough, follow the directions on the package of how long to let it sit out, maybe about 15 minutes or so, and then you just cut out the little pieces, and you will just place them in the tart pan. Very simple and easy. Now you do need to press it down into the pan and try to get it on the sides and the bottom, and then you just fan out the little petals, and that is pretty much it for that. But you do need to make sure that it is pressed down and it is adhering to the pan, because they will sort of puff up a little bit. So it looks great in the pan. I'll have to show you at the end how some of these look, but just cut out that dough and have those ready to go, and put those in a pan that has been sprayed with some nonstick spray. And I also put a little bit above on top of the pan as well, where the petals will lay. So just continue to do that, and you kind of want to space them apart, not put them right next to each other, so that way they don't stick together. Preheat your oven to 350. Put these in the oven for about 8 minutes. You just want to brown this up a little bit. You don't want to over brown the petal part. And I did not have a video, I thought I did, of the ones I took out first, but I started the next batch and continued to do this. Put them in, and I tried to make sure I pressed them down on the sides and the bottom, and then just press those petals on the top. And this time, the first ones I did not put a few holes in it. This one I did, so make sure to do that and just continue to fill those up. And this is what they look like when they came out. They're not perfect by any means. So what I started to do is put that lemon filling into these, and like I said, you can use blueberry, any kind of flavor that you want. It doesn't have to be lemon. And then I will put these back in the oven for about 8 minutes to have that cooked down into the shell. And then when you take them out, as soon as you take them out, you want to take the powdered sugar and just sprinkle that over the top. You can do it very lightly. I ended up doing a little bit more than I thought I did, but it's going to dissolve into that lemon filling. That's why you want to do this right when they come out, when it's hot, and just let it sit for a minute, and then you can see there how it just disappears into the lemon. And you don't have to do this, but you can see it's not perfect. They just shrunk up a little bit back into the pan. Not sure why. It's just the way it happened. This one came out a little bit better. You can kind of tell it's supposed to be a flower, a little bloom, but they were still good. But you can see a little bit of that petal is missing. But not all flowers are perfect either. It's in nature. And you can see this one was a little kind of oblong a little bit, but this is what they look like when they're done. And as I said, they were good. Just I need to work on that technique of how to get these to not shrink up too much in the pan and to stay more of a bloom. But don't forget to check Melissa and Kristy's channels out in the playlist that's down below. And I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're interested in seeing more like it, please click that subscribe button and the notification bell. That will notify you when I post new videos. I hope everyone has a blessed day. God bless y'all.